NEXGEN TV on your smart TV. Navigating the menu, pick from channels, movies, series, and catch-up TV. Watch movies. Select a movie tile. Press select to enter. Pick play movie to watch the movie, or play trailer to view the trailer. Watch series. Highlight the season you want to choose and select the episode you want to play. If you're looking for something specific, tap the magnifier icon. Type the name. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter the show or movie name. Choose the tile and press enter. Catch-up TV. Go back and watch past shows. Pick the channel, date, and the program from the list. Watch live TV. Select the channels option from the menu on the left. Browse channels. Scroll through the list and use the drop-down to search by categories.
You're a genius.
I know. Like what I say.
NEXGEN TV, the ultimate way to watch TV.